Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you the basics of how to use your own Google Classroom as a teacher. So this is Google Classroom. You have students will have their different classes, or teachers will have their different classes that they're teaching as well. You can see Stream, which will be all the postings that you make or that your students make. You can delete items. Your students can comment on some items, can post, and you can make it to where they can only comment, or only teachers can post or comment. You can add topics, you can, as well as you can see who your students are, and you can invite your students, as well as you get a class code that your students just type in and they join the classroom. And then there's the About page where you can add anything you would like about yourself or your class, as well as what they need for class materials. You can as well invite teachers, create your own calendar for your classroom and your own class folder. And that is about it for Google Classroom. And then how you create your own posts. You go down to the bottom right and you can do like last time, create an announcement, create an assignment, create a question, and then you can also reuse a post from a different classroom or your own classroom, and you can just repost it. And then you can select your theme and background. Select theme, you can choose like the background of in the back, so maybe let's just say I do a basketball class, I can do that. Select theme. There you go, basketball in the background. Okay, and that is about it for Google Classroom. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.